Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Tom Keene with Paul Sweeney and Bloomberg's Lisa Mateo.
Okay, I want to start with Snap. This is the biggest mover by volume this morning. It's down about 19%. It's the owner of Snapchat, the social media app. Second quarter sales, they were just shy of Wall Street's average estimates, but the bigger news actually came on the call with investors. The company pointed to this slowdown in advertising revenue growth, and a big reason for that, they said, was this technical issue they had with their ad buying tools that happened earlier this year. So what happened is that the company shipped an update to their advertising auction, and it inadvertently allowed marketers to buy ads at substantially reduced prices. Oh, no. So that was a big mistake.
Well, this is 5,206 people enjoying Santa Monica, California.
Yeah.
Evan Spiegel, who's an item.
Yep.
I've never used Snap. Lisa, is the
that's the
Mateo
kid
house
thing.
on Snap?
Yeah, it's the kids love the
It's
Snapchat.
like TikTok-y?
Correct. Yeah, the kids love it. They just like it better than all the others.
Oh, okay.
But revenue.
She's the font of wisdom today.
Yeah, I know. I mean, it's just all over. Yes, piercing to the
TikTok, ear piercing. It's just unbelievable.
But it's a big thing for them because they get like 90% of their revenue from advertising. So that was a huge mistake. They said it's fixed, and advertising revenue growth has improved. But yeah, that was a big mistake for them. Disney. Okay, their shares have been down 2%. Third quarter results disappointed some investors. So on the bad side of things, revenue from conventional TV networks, sports programming fell short. Income from conventional entertainment TV fell 28%. Disney Film Studios suffered a loss. With sports programming falling short, though, they did have that announcement about the NFL acquiring a 10% stake in ESPN sports programming. The good news for them, a strong performance in their theme park streaming business. Income at the theme parks division grew about 13% in the quarter. Revenue advanced 8%. The streaming business actually earned a quarterly profit of $346 million. So good and bad on both sides of them for Disney.
I mean, Disney's like everybody else. They're just trying to say, hey, focus your attention on these bright, shiny objects. For us, it's streaming and it's theme parks, which are real. They're going to be huge. They are hugely profitable. Get even more so with the streaming business. And just kind of ignore the legacy cable networks, broadcast networks. Yeah. And in fact, a lot of companies are saying we're just going to spin those things off. So we don't have to.
Even the movie. Like, I was surprised about the movie.
Yeah, that stuff comes and goes. You can't worry about that.
Do we know what they're worth when they spin them off?
We're going to find out. We're going to
find out.
We're going to get two big transactions hitting the market. Yeah. But if it's going to be well below, I think, where their current stocks are trading.
Okay, next.
All right. Advanced Micro Devices, ticker AMD, down more than 6% before the bell. It's the second largest maker of AI processors, right? So analysts, they saw the results as mixed. Something they really looked closely at was the company's situation in China. They say its return to that market is a little tough to predict. And the reason why is because you remember, like the Trump administration, they barred those shipments of the high quality chips to China back in April. Then it reversed the course, and that raised hopes that AMD and NVIDIA could resume sales. But AMD's CEO said that their licenses are still under review. So, they didn't include any revenue from those chips in their guidance.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.